Oi, you muppets. Now, today I installed the extractor fan. Voila, sorry about that. So this is the fan, 100 mil, obviously the diameter here, and 1900, well no, that's a confusion, sorry. I put the link in there from the Amazon link, so you can click on it and just buy it. Anyway, to cut the long story short, it's a very nicely built little scenario here. I've got here obviously an isolator switch, which you have to have, so just in case you want to fix the fan, you can switch that on and off. And after this is obviously switched on, I've got here a timer for half an hour, so the punters will not be able to leave the fan on all day or when they go on holiday. So it's gonna switch off automatically after a few minutes or after half an hour, whatever you do. Check this out. Yeah? Fan is coming on. This is the timer. Has a little LED going on here as well. I mean, it's not a big deal, but still. And it's pretty cool because you can switch it off. Yeah, but it remembers the time. So if you need to put it back, it remembers where you were. You can't go further, but you can still switch it off. So the time is remembered, and this is how it looks from the bottom. Nicely wired in, and this is where it's gonna go outside into the Great Town jungle. Now that's how you fix a fan. And of course this is gonna go into here, right? This is gonna go on the top. Yeah, unfortunately I need both hands to do that, but that's how it's gonna look like. And it's gonna suck off all the smoke from the domino hob. So here we go. And if you use this ring, then you turn it that way, and if you use the small ring, you turn it that way, and that's from the middle, and that's enough power to suck all the haze, all the smoke, and wax it out to the Great Town jungle. That's it. Oi, you muppets.